Alright guys, welcome back to WRX Garage. We got a big box here, so we got to open it and see what's inside. I know, I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait to open it. I had to. I'm sorry. But I have here the new FACTIONFAB, brand new. It came out like a week ago. I have the full suede steering wheel. They sell this in the carbon fiber and suede, carbon fiber leather, all suede, and then the suede and the leather. So they have basically every combination that you could want. Went with FACTIONFAB again because once they released it, I was like, I just got to do it. I already have the coilovers. So we're going to go inside the car. We're going to pull out the old one, install this one, and then I'll let you guys know how it feels. Alright guys, so first step is to take off the negative battery terminal. I already did that. Pretty easy. And then we have to remove the 3 clips to get out the airbag. There's one here, there's one here, and then there's one on the back. You just take a flathead screwdriver and poke it out. Subi Speed and FACTIONFAB have a really good video of taking this off because they can show you what the back of it looks like. I'll show you a picture of that once I get this out. So let me get those clips undone and get the airbag out. Alright, so when you guys come in, instead of going in at like this angle, you want to come in at this angle for both of them. The one going up, you just push up like this, but in the videos they show you with the steering wheel already off, so it looks a lot easier. But you want to come in from this angle because it's, and then same thing on the other side. That'll make it a little bit easier. But we got that out. So now we have to remove this spade connector. It's got a little thing that you push down, a little tab. Okay, and then these, you have to lift up this yellow thing. Just be careful, you don't want this thing to blow up. Airbag. All right, 17 millimeter. You're gonna want to break this nut. Mine was actually pretty loose, and you don't want to take it all the way off. Just a little bit. Then you're gonna want to pull this back. You're gonna rock it slightly, and you're gonna pull it all the way back. And then once you take it off, you can remove the nut and pull this off. But you don't want to like move the steering wheel. You want to keep the steering wheel straight. Okay, now we can bring this inside, and we're going to take out this, this, and this, and this, and we're going to transfer everything over to the new steering wheel. Alright, so now we got to take all this stuff off to put on the new one. So we're going to unplug all the connectors here. We're going to plug this one. If I can get to it. Alright, so you just got to keep prying on that. That thing will pull out. Then you can remove the wiring harness from the little holders in the back plate. Okay, got to take the screw off. Okay. Pry back here. Okay, now we're going to take out these clips. These just push out and pull out here, and these 3 screws. Okay, so now let's look at the two steering wheels side by side. You can see they got the same shape, but this one actually has better contouring here. You can see it's a little bit better shape, but it's still the D shape. Definitely slightly thicker, I would say. Yeah, definitely a little bit thicker. But yeah, they both look good. You can see that's the difference between this crap one and the new one. So now we're going to do everything that we just did, but in the reverse order. Push the wires back in. Everything is the same as when you took it out, you know, so this is going to be connected to, you know, the airbag part. Ground that goes through there, then you got the other two that are connected. They're going to connect to the airbag. And that's it. It's very easy. We're going to go put the airbag back on, put it back on the car. Alright, so now we're going to feed these through this hole, but you don't really want to move this. The least amount that you can move this, the better. So just be very gentle with it. Try to get them to feed through without having to move this at all. If you can, you might have to just slightly tweak it so it sits straight again. And you want to push on there. Okay. So there's grooves in here. You're going to have these grooves line up and you'll feel when it goes in. Then you want to put this back on. You're going to want to torque this down so you don't lose this while you connect everything else. 29 foot-pounds. So now you can plug everything back in. So this is going to get plugged back into here. Okay, now we're ready for the airbag. So the airbag connectors go in the same way. Push in. And then the yellow clip goes down to hold them. And then the ground. And then once it's lined up, should just be able to push on. That should be good. Alright, we're good to connect the battery and try it out. Alright, so we're all in. We just moved across the street. It is such a difference. It is so comfy. We left it out in the sun actually a little bit. I did the badges. I just blacked those out real quick. And it's not hot at all. It definitely doesn't absorb the heat as well. So tomorrow I'll actually set up and go for a little drive. So that'll go after this clip. But it is just very, very, very comfy. I was gonna go for the carbon fiber one, but I drive like this a lot, and I didn't want to hold the carbon fiber. I'd rather hold the suede, which is why I went for this one. But it is super comfy. So the stitching is perfect. It's definitely a little bit thicker, and the padding definitely feels better. This right here, they contour this, so if you actually drive like this, if you're doing like any heavy driving, it just, you fit in there so nicely. Yeah, very nice. They did a great product. I love the red down the middle. It's perfectly lined up. It's nice also to like to turn. Your hand slides on it a little bit easier when you're doing this. It doesn't, you know, it's very nice. Love it. Very happy with it. All right, what's up, guys? So I said I was gonna do a drive. I actually was like, you know what, let me wait some time. So this is like 6 days later. I wanted to see how it would really drive every single day using it in the heat, and obviously I can't test the cold yet because it's summertime here. But wow, what a difference. It is so much nicer to turn, go down back roads. So much smoother on your hands. You could tell why all of the luxury companies are moving to, you know, having the Alcantara full interior. It's just definitely the way to go. Even in the heat, it doesn't get super warm in your hands. It is so nice. Now using it, I kind of wish I knew someone with the carbon fiber one to feel how the carbon fiber one would, because I know that the carbon fiber would match like a little bit of carbon fiber that's in the interior. So maybe I could talk Kevin into getting the carbon fiber one. But wow, man, this just feels so nice. Even just like the little stuff, like the red line, it just makes it look more premium. Definitely makes it look more premium of a car. It feels very nice. This spot right here is probably my favorite for going around back roads and stuff. If you're gonna like do any hard cornering, or if you're doing like tracking or anything, this is definitely the steering wheel to get. If you're not, you know, if you want to keep the airbag. But man, your hand just grips there so much better. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there's two little grooves here, right here for your fingers. So if you're just like the type of person that just chill like this, actually got two little grooves here for your fingers. So it's very comfy. It's on both sides actually. So that is really nice. Very good. The stitching, fantastic. I'm really happy with this. FACTIONFAB with another great product. Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed me driving and talking about it a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you guys want to buy this steering wheel, I'll leave the links below for Rally Sport. They have 5 different ones. They have the suede, they have the leather here and suede up here. Then they have the carbon fiber and suede and carbon fiber and leather. So you can have every combination that you would like. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And be sure to check us out in our next video next week. Peace.